Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to change the color of a subject with perfection in Photoshop. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorial and fun tips. In this tutorial, I have two examples, so let's start with this. Now select the color layer, which you want to change. Then select the eyedropper tool, to pick the colors from subject. Now adjust the color range very smoothly and close to the picked color from subject. Now change it to any hue as you want. Now you can see that there are some areas which are affected too. We can easily remove it by painting a mask. So, let's move to next example. In this example we are going to change the lip color of a subject. But, the color of her dress and lip are same, so how to do it? By simply creating a selection of that area, using selection tool. Now repeat the same process of previous example. And here, how you can change the color of any subject with a perfection in Photoshop.